Hi everyone, Gagajoy here. Today we're going to be making our family favorite potato salad, and I hope you try it because I think it's good. I've only I cut up about 4 potatoes, medium, and I've got 5 eggs in the water. I cook them together, just saves a pot. Anyway, I'm going to cook them till they're fork tender, and I have mustard, mayonnaise, pickles, pimentos, celery, and onion. Regular. That's just what it is. Anyway, we'll probably be back in about 20 minutes. We're back. I went ahead and drained my potatoes and peeled my eggs. It's just one of those things. They come out about the same time, so it just saves a lot of. Just saves 1 step, I think. Okay, and while it's hot, I always put a tablespoon of vinegar and a tablespoon of sugar and stir it up real good. Put those in. I've drained my pimentos and put the whole thing in. I put 2 tablespoons of celery, about a half a cup of onions. Now this thing, you can cut it back like the way you want to. If you don't like one, just cut it back. And my mustard, I'm going with at least a tablespoon and a half of mustard. I like it sort of mustardy. Okay. And I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And this, to me, is the main thing, is celery seed. I love celery seed in potato salad. You might want to use celery salt. I love the seed the best in potato salad, though. And it's a teaspoonful. Yeah, it's a teaspoonful. And let's see, we've got all that, and over this, let's do our eggs. Here's our pickles. I just took a bigger, we'll say that's 1/3 of a cup. And the eggs are next. See, they're perfectly cooked. I don't guess I've ever had leftover potato salad. If it does, I will eat it. But I always make it at the right time, of course. And you can put as many eggs or as few eggs as you want to. I do cut my eggs up in pretty large pieces because as you stir it, they sort of break apart a little bit. And so now we're down to the mayonnaise. Let's go with a half a cup to start with. The thing about potato salad, you can get it just right today. And if you have any left over to take somewhere the next day, you have to have a little bit more mayonnaise. That's just, I guess it just soaks in. Well, it does. It just soaks in tonight. A tablespoon more. Okay. Let me taste it for the salt and everything. I've been like doing it so long it's perfect.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's another egg. Now, if I was going to take it someplace tomorrow, I'd put a little bit of cheese on top, or you can put, what else? Cheese. Some people slice eggs on top, and you can use anything you want to on it. And there's our potato salad. Didn't take long at all, did it? It's very good. I love my potato salad, even if this is mine. It makes it a nice sized bowl. So try it. I think you'll like it because there's not anything really in there to not like unless it's the onions or something like that. So, make you some potato salad tonight. We're going to have sandwiches or submarines and potato salad. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And just be thankful that this time of year we're getting some hot sunny days. We can be sitting out outside and eat if we want to. That's a blessing from God. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. Bye.